Hello everyone. The attendees are still joining in, so we can start. So, hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, as per your respective time zone. On behalf of Mastec, I would like to welcome you all for the 25B Benefits and Compensation Advisory webinar session. This important session is to get you fully synchronized with the new features and functionality as part of this quarterly release which Oracle provides. My name is Simran Bachani and I am a functional consultant here at Mastec. Today I'll take you through all the features of benefits and compensation module of this quarterly release. Today's session is planned for around 45 minutes and we will make sure that we also spare some time to answer any questions you may have. We have also expert panelist Gargi Jain available with take up any questions you may have through chat of questions panel. Before we move to the agenda, let's quickly have a look at the important disclaimer. We would like to convey our approach towards Oracle updates in a very simple method. We will be taking you through the vital analysis for the 25B updates done by our experts, which will help you incorporating new features easily into your system. We will also try and inform you on any bugs or known issues if there are any. So what you see on the screen right now is we are trying to give you a glimpse on how we have created the structure of this session. So first thing in the list of new features coming in 25B, detailing enough on features to get you brief understanding of what the new feature is all about. Next is what are the business benefits and the important takeaways for you as decision makers. There are four components where we have done the in-depth analysis for the features which we are going to present to you today. The first one is impact analysis, which demonstrates the impact on any user. If it's low impact, then the regression testing can be avoided. If it's high impact, then we need to opt for regression testing. Second one is we are all aware that there are some features which are by default or auto-enabled by Oracle or some which we need to opt for. Third one highlights the nature of the feature. There would be certain configuration which may be required and some can be used without any changes. Some require changes and some not. And last one is quick win. This term is simply used to convey what is ready to use by investing minimum amount of time or require significant amount of time and efforts to make use of the feature. I am excited to guide you through the latest features and enhancements that Oracle has to offer, from enhanced benefits management to advanced compensation tools. This upgrade is poised to revolutionize how organizations approach HR management. We will dive deep into a comprehensive understanding of the associated business benefits. This way, you can make decisions on integrating new features with your organizational practices. We have prepared an analysis for all the enhancements as you can see on the screen. We have 30 features introduced in this upgrade. Primarily, these updates fall into two categories, quick win and opt-in. Quick win features which are easily available and opt-in required to be enabled by Oracle. In the 25B update, we have 30 quick win features and 0 opt-in features. These quick win features are further subcategorized into default with configuration and default with no configuration. As the name suggests, the default with no configuration is ready to use without any additional setup, while default with configuration features can be enabled based on any specific requirements. These are the new features which we will be discussing, quick wins which are default and don't require any configuration, and quick wins which are default but requires to be enabled. We'll be discussing all these features followed by Q&A. In the meantime, if you have any query, please drop that in the chat box and our panelist will take it up. In this upgrade, it is also noteworthy that we have Redwood 22 Redwood features and one AI feature amongst this. Now let's take a look to the features which are Quick Win default with configuration. The first feature is from the benefits. Explore the new Visual Builder Studio business rules for the benefit contact pages. The new business rules enhance user experience on benefits pages by offering improved flexibility and functionality for both employees and administrators. Key benefit contact pages now support hidden or visible default attributes. Contact information fields such as national identifier, citizenship, and passports can be customized with the ability to show or hide the add button in various regions. These updates align with Redwood's intuitive high-fidelity interface improvements. The next is enable Redwood experience for the new Benefits Activity Center. The new Benefits Activity Center, built using Redwood toolset Visual Builder Studio, replaces the legacy Benefits Service Center with enhanced features like advanced person search, saved searches, and dynamic filters powered by Elasticsearch. Administrators can now perform fuzzy searches, customize filter and display options, and save frequent queries to streamline tasks. These updates reduce manual effort, improve efficiency, and provide a modern, intuitive user experience through Redwood's interface. Next is enable Redwood experience for the pending actions within the benefit summary page. The enhanced pending actions region in the Benefits Activity Center now allows benefits administrators to efficiently manage national identifier and date of birth action items. Administrators can bulk close multiple prior optional pending actions directly from the pending actions section, streamlining workflows and reducing manual effort. These updates improve task management and support a smoother benefits administration experience within the Redwood Modern interface. The next is enable Redwood experience for enrollment overrides page in benefits summary. This new enrollment override feature in the benefit summary page, built with Redwood toolset Visual Builder Studio, streamline benefits administration by allowing easier overrides. With a more intuitive interface and improved functionality, administrators can efficiently manage enrollments, enhancing the overall user experience through Redwood's high fidelity interactions. The next is explore the new Redwood enhancements to the self-report a live event page. The redesigned self-report a live event page in Redwood now allows you to customize self-service groupings, update display text, and hide the need help contact us region. These enhancements provide greater flexibility and personalization, offering a more intuitive and streamlined experience aligned with Redwood design. The next is enable benefits pending actions alert. The new standard alerts functionality automatically notifies benefits participants about their outstanding pending actions. This enhancement reduces manual communication efforts for benefits administrators, saving time and improving efficiency in managing benefits related tasks. The next is explore the new Visual Builder Studio business rules in the benefits self-service landing page. The new business rules enhance the benefit self-service experience by offering personalization options for the landing page banner, including background and image settings. You can personalize the benefits self-service landing page banner, and the following regions can be updated to display your preferences: the banner background color, the image, and the foreground image. The next is explore the new Visual Builder Studio business rules in the benefits summary page. The new Visual Builder Studio business rules for the benefit summary page enhance functionality and flexibility for benefit administrators. Pages like benefit groups, billings, and court orders now support customizable default attributes. Additionally, regions like Self-reported live events can be hidden if not in use, streamlining the interface with Redwood's high-fidelity design. Next is explore the new Visual Builder Studio business rules in the benefits enrollment pages, hide post-enrollment region. And as the name suggests, you can now hide the post-enrollment region within the self-service enrollment page. These options provide greater flexibility and personalization for both administrators and the employees, aligning with Redwood's design. Next is explore the new validation rules in Visual Builder Studio for the benefits Redwood contact pages. You can now personalize the Redwood benefits contact page using validation rules in Visual Builder Studio. These rules ensure employees enter required data correctly on pages like people to cover before you enroll, enrollment page, and report a live event page. This enhancement allows for both simple and complex validations, improving data accuracy within Redwood design. So these were all about the benefits features for default with configuration. Now moving on to compensation, the first feature is AI Assist for individual compensation plan instruction generation. The new AI Assist feature helps generate clear and accurate instructions based on individual compensation plan configurations. It can refine existing text proposed by administrators or generate new instructions when none exist, using app data for clarity. This enhancement reduces administrative workload, improve instruction quality, and enhance the user experience. Here you can see on the screen the screenshot for the same for the AI Assist for ICP plan. The next is adjusted FTE introduction in salary calculations. Global HR now allows the use of adjusted FTE alongside standard FTE for calculating annual salary and full-time salary starting in Release 23B. This enhancement provides greater flexibility in managing statutory FTE requirements, offering a more accurate calculation of compensation based on adjusted FTE. It improves the overall compensation management process within Redwood. Here you can see on the screen the screenshot with assignment page showing a 0.5 FTE and 0.346 155 adjusted FTE. There are a few more screenshots supporting this feature. Here you can see on the screen the Redwood compensation info page showing the annual salary and the annualized full-time salary per adjusted FTE. The next is adjusted FTE in grade step progression processes. Within this enhancement, the run grade step progression and synchronize grade step rates processes can now prorate salary based on adjusted FTE if configured. Using the salary adjustment type in the grade ladder, administrators can control whether FTE or adjusted FTE is used for salary adjustments. The profile option determines whether adjusted FTE is used or not. This ensures that grade step progression calculations align with salary calculation for improved accuracy. The next is adjusted FTE when salary or component amount defaults from grade ladder rates. This enhancement allows you to default salary or component amounts from grade ladder rates during HR actions like hire, transfer, and promote using adjusted FTE for prorating instead of the standard FTE. By configuring the salary adjustment type on the grade ladder, you can now control whether FTE or adjusted FTE is used based on the profile option. This ensures that FTE adjustments align with salary calculations, improving consistency and accuracy. The next is currency switcher introduction in salary individual compensation sections of Redwood ad flows. In Release 24C, the currency switcher was added to Redwood compensation info, personal contribution, individual compensation, and administer compensation pages. Release 24D expanded this feature to the chain salary and view compensation history pages. Now it is also available in key add personal person flows such as hire an employee, add pending worker, and create work relationship. This enhancement improves user satisfaction and productivity by allowing managers to work in their local currency. Next is enhancement to Redwood experience for progression grade ladders. The Redwood grade ladders page now has support for progression grade ladders where grades don't have steps. With this enhancement, you can manage all your progression grade ladders using Redwood pages. Moving on to next, exclude individual compensation plans options using business rules. This enhancement allows you to exclude individual compensation plans and options using business rules, offering greater flexibility compared to the previous method of restricting access through plan eligibility. The exclusion applies at the client side, filtering based on benefit and element eligibility within the app, while behavior in other areas remains unchanged. This ensures more controlled and customized management of compensation plans and options. Here you can see on the screen the additional compensation when a spot bonus plan is excluded and the default behavior when bonus plan isn't excluded. Next is Redwood Experience for download salaries. Compensation managers can now use the recreated download salaries page with the Redwood toolset, which include enhanced inclusion criteria and preview worksheet columns. New fields such as action, country, department, and job can now be added to the inclusion criteria and preview table. The worksheet includes mandatory fields like action, FTE, grade, and step with an editable adjustment percentage option. This enhancement streamlines salary management within the Redwood experience, improving functionality and user experience. Here you can see the download salary enhanced page in the Redwood. Next is Redwood experience for progression rules. The new progression rules page developed using the Redwood toolset offers a more organized and streamlined user experience for managing grade ladder progression rules. Unlike the previous system where the progression rules were created within the grade ladder page, the new page allows administrators to handle the grade ladder and progression rules separately. The key features include the search by grade ladder name, in which the results show only progression grade ladders with filters similar to those only the Redwood grade ladders page. The next is grade ladder level management in this feature, where you can add, delete, or edit progression rules for the grade ladder, including adjusting effective dates and start date and the end date. The next is grade level navigation. After selecting a grade, you can manage progression rules at the grade level within the options to filter through the ladder's grade and view related rules. This feature enhances rule management, simplifies troubleshooting, and provides flexibility in configuring progression rules across multiple levels within the grade ladder. The next is Redwood experience for run rates based salary process. The run rates based salary process page has now been recreated using the Redwood toolset, offering an enhanced experience for compensation administrators. This page, when enabled alongside the Redwood experience, provides an improved interface for managing salary processes based on run rates. This new page helps streamline salary related tasks with a more intuitive layout and functionality aligning with the broader Oracle Redwood solutions to enhance user experience and efficiency. Next is Save available in Redwood salary and individual compensation pages. The Save feature is now available in the Redwood salary and individual compensation guided flow pages such as personal contribution, individual compensation, administer compensation, and change salary pages for both line managers and the compensation managers. This enhancement This enhancement allows managers to save their progress and complete tasks later, improving flexibility and efficiency in managing compensation-related processes. Here you can see the screenshot supporting the same. Now moving on to the next section, which is Quick Win default with no configuration. So these features are auto-enabled and requires no configuration to be enabled. The first is from the benefits module, enhancements to benefits enrollment real-time subject area. So this is an OTBI feature where the benefits enrollment real-time subject area now includes the rate overridden through date attribute for improved reporting and allows reporting on input values not linked to rates by adding the input value name attribute. The next is analyze salary introduction in Redwood ad flows. In release 25A, the analyze salary feature was introduced on Redwood change salary and salary history pages. It's now also available in various ad person flows, allowing for what-if analysis to determine the appropriate proposed salary by assessing salary matrix for all the salary bases. Next is manage compensation zones using the import management tool. In this release, the geography zone object and import management tool have been introduced to manage compensation zones more efficiently. You can create, update, and delete zones, add postal ranges, and manage relationships using CSV imports. Supported operations include creating zones, adding master geographies, updating start and date for zones and postal ranges, and deleting zones or postal ranges. The import process allows you to map fields and track the status of imports. Required attributes for the import file vary based on the operation, and simple CSV files are provided for each use. This feature is designed to handle high volume of compensation zones seamlessly. Here you can see the screenshots for the same. The next is market data, addition of job set code in compensation in composite loads. In this release, market composites can now be loaded for job codes used across multiple set codes, enhancing the flexibility. Job codes can be duplicated across different set codes with the introduction of a new mandatory job set code and a renamed location set code. The import composites page now features load jobs by location and load jobs by segment buttons. Additionally, the HSDL templates for loading position codes by location or segment are provided in Data Exchange with all four HSDL templates available there. The job set code attribute is now required alongside job code when loading job-related composites through HDL, while the existing set code attributes remains for resolving location ID. The next is for the total compensation, ability to hide salary in statement header. A new option has been introduced to control whether the salary is displayed in the header of the total compensation statement. Previously, the salary was displayed by default and couldn't be configured. With this update, You can now choose to show or hide the salary in both online statement and printable statements. The statement header display field checkbox will appear when both the HCM BBS profile and CMS Redwood profile are enabled. By default, the checkbox will be selected, meaning the salary will be displayed, but it can be unchecked to hide it. Here you can see it is highlighted for the statement header display field. The next is total compensation, improve batch parameter performance. The new dynamic logic adjusts thread size based on the population in the total compensation batch process, improving performance. Smaller populations use default threads, while larger population can benefit from more threads, optimizing processing efficiency. The next is total compensation online statement in Redwood My Compensation. Employees can now access their total compensation statements online in My Compensation, a feature previously available only through the View Total Compensation Statements quick action. Printable statements where generated can also be accessed from the online statement with a not viewed batch displayed for statements accessed via My Compensation. The next and the last feature of this upgrade is reporting on market composites in workforce compensation real time. The compensation workforce real-time subject area now includes new folders to enhance reporting on market survey data. These folders provides details on job information, worksheet composites, and market composite statistics, allowing for improved aggregation and analysis of compensation data. So here we come to the closing of this session, and you may ask any questions you may have. So we have the poll open now for all the participants. So thank you so much everyone for your time. Thanks for being a wonderful audience and part of this session. Thank you.